My first memory of you was when you showed up at my cubicle 10 years ago to help me with a work-related task. Back then, I never would have imagined that you would still be helping me grow a decade later. Things have definitely changed since then. You no longer dress in oversized striped sweatshirts, and your hair is very different. In these years, I have been there while you hit rock bottom, and I have been there for the best moments of our lives. As for our future, I have promises I want to make to you in front of our family and friends. I promise to slow down and enjoy life and the moments with you. I promise to remind you how awesome Five Finger Death Punch is every chance I get. I promise to cuddle you until I can no longer bear your body heat. Bryan, I will always choose you, even on your worst days. I believe in you today, tomorrow, and forever. I will encourage and inspire you. I will comfort you in the worst of times. I will love you even on the days I don't like you. And most importantly, I will love you until my last breath. I love you.
Savannah Ashley Ryan. I have never called you by that name, and I have to say it feels good to say your whole name, because that belongs to a girl that I met 9 years ago. She was very outgoing, very comfortable of who she was, and very wise above her years. She was committed to what she had in her sights, and I'm lucky to have landed in her sight. At the beginning of our relationship, I barely knew who I was, let alone have the time to get to really know you. For that, I am truly sorry, and will spend the rest of my life showing you how sorry I am. I will do this by being me, because I love me and who I am. This is because you never gave up on me when you had every right to. You showed me how love is very powerful when the times are very dark. Through those rough times, I know we've only become stronger because it strengthens our bond with powerful patience and understanding. Here's what I've come to love through all the things that you do that really get under my skin. You are one of the messiest people I've ever known. You put up with my crankiness when I reach my breaking point, and you still love me. Yes, I can't stand this, but I will always be grateful to clean up knowing that it is appreciated. You caution on the safety side and are very paranoid about safety, which classes against my throw caution to the wind. However, it warms my heart knowing I have someone in my corner to protect me from myself and my daredevil ways. You spend money on stuff that makes me cringe at times. Your board game splurges, pictures, and other stuff I think is unnecessary. However, I come to realize that these purchases are truly to create moments we share with friends and family and turn them into forever memories, which I am truly grateful for. Now before me, I have seen a girl grow into a beautiful woman with more refined purpose, comfort, outlook, and still has me in her sights. Not sure how, but I will not complain. Now that I am very happy with me and my life, the last thing for me to do is make you my wife. Asking you to be my wife, I vow that I will always be grateful to clean up, even though in the moment it may be hard to see. I will think more cautiously when it comes to things that are not padded rooms or 5-star safety ratings. When I gripe about spending, it's only the Scrooge in me pinching pennies, and I'll always be grateful for the memories. I love you, and with you, I only see me getting better with you by my side for the rest of my life. I love you, like tornadoes love trailer parks.
Now my pleasure to introduce for the first time the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
between tree malls, the fireworks spouting off overhead. Never seen Bryan smile like that.
You've been a rock, and I love you for that. And even for me, if I ever needed sound advice or anything, you would be the one to get it.
Bryan, you've done an amazing woman. I know how much she loves you, and you guys are amazing together.
The saying is true, a happy wife is a happy life. But ladies, please remember, a happy hubby wants to keep a happy honey. Cheers, guys.
Who's always right?
She just doesn't know it yet.
Who thinks they're always right? There you go. Now you go.